Maybe look at that section a little?
Yeah.
Let me see if there's a concept that I call constant resonance.
Mhm.
Okay, here's 4 notes, and they're spread out with more than an octave in between. Here, it's sort of 2.5 notes, because that's still lingering and there's there. And then it's 3 notes, then it's 1 note, and it's 1 note, and it's 1 note, then it's 4 notes, and they're going all over the place.
Yeah.
But what the thing is so luscious and so beautiful that part of me just wants to feel this. As if nothing went meandering over, but the richness of this chord. It's almost like the other piece. Constant resonance. I'm overriding all these differences with the feeling that there is something constant. See, right there, it's still. And I'm trying not to lose that at any point.
Yeah.
It's interesting that this does something similar to what this did, where one of the, that's the theme, but the theme bifurcates into that.
Yeah.
And just so that he doesn't leave any pitch range out, he goes da 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 da. He's covering the whole territory. Each voice picks up a thread of that. So it's this constant. I'm looking for some luscious variety of an A major chord.
Yeah.
Or let's say I'm there. I'm filling it with equally full chords. I'm not disturbed by the fact that this goes, and then suddenly it's down here, and then suddenly it's there.
Yeah.
I got rid of a lot of the rough edges by doing that. So try this chord as a model for the sonority. And now just keep repeating it over. So as if you're maintaining it constantly. It's 10,000 years ago, and you're the person who's in charge of keeping the fire alive so it doesn't go out. So you have to tend the fire and make sure they blow on it just the right amount to keep it living in the thing. And just repeat it over and over. Da da dee, da da dee. So again, through that da 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 section you just did, I want to feel that the chords are all equally wide and equally full, even though Brahms is purposely trying to do the opposite of that.
Yeah.
So that B minor chord on the last beat felt like the odd person out.
Yeah.
It's the middle of the range that I want to feature most. It's the violas and the clarinets in the middle, even if they're not literally playing. Yes. Yes. Now you're literally molding the sound.
Yeah.
And you're not restricted, never be restricted to what's literally on the page.
Yeah.
Especially if it were a symphony, then you assume that the composer had enough instruments to fully realize his or her idea. But on the piano, you've got to assume that there's always more there than is literally printed on the page.